Craving a guilt-free classic cookie? Dive into the delicious world of Keto Snickerdoodle Cookies. This sugar-free, low-carb recipe promises all the cinnamon-sweet charm of the traditional treat, tailored for a ketogenic lifestyle. Perfect for anyone looking to indulge their sweet tooth without breaking their carb bank, these cookies are not just a healthier alternative but a delightful treat in their own right. This recipe makes about 24 cookies, ensuring there's plenty to go around for family gatherings, coffee breaks, or as a guilt-free snack anytime. Ingredients: almond flour, 2½ cups, for a gluten-free, low-carb base baking powder, ½ teaspoon, to help the cookies rise cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon, key for that classic snickerdoodle tang ground cinnamon, 1½ teaspoons, divided, for dough and topping salt, 1/4 teaspoon, to balance sweetness unsalted butter, ½ cup, room temperature, for richness and moisture erythritol, 3/4 cup, a keto-friendly sweetener, granulated, for the dough egg, 1 large, binds the ingredients together vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon, for that sweet, aromatic flavor for the topping. Erythritol, 2 tablespoons, granulated, for coating, ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon, to mix with erythritol for the classic snickerdoodle finish. Instructions. 1. Preheat and prep. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper to prevent sticking and ensure easy cleanup. 2. Combine dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together the almond flour, baking powder, cream of tartar, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, and salt. These dry ingredients form the base of your cookie dough. 3. Cream butter and sweetener. In a large bowl, use an electric mixer to cream together the room temperature butter and 3/4 cup of erythritol until light and fluffy. This process should take about 2 to 3 minutes, setting the stage for a smooth, well-integrated dough. 4. Add egg and vanilla. Beat in the egg and vanilla extract until fully incorporated. The mixture should look creamy and well combined, with no streaks of egg. 5. Mix dry and wet ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring until just combined. Avoid overmixing to ensure your cookies have a tender, not tough, texture. 6. Shape and coat cookies. Scoop out 1 tablespoon of dough per cookie, rolling it into a ball. Mix 2 tablespoons of erythritol and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon in a small bowl. Roll each dough ball in the cinnamon erythritol mixture to coat thoroughly, then place on the prepared baking sheets, leaving room for slight spreading. 7. Bake. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are just golden. The cookies will still be soft to the touch but firm up as they cool. 8. Cool. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This resting period is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. 9. Enjoy and store. Enjoy your Keto Snickerdoodle cookies fresh or store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to a week. Nutritional information, per cookie. Calories, approximately 95. Carbs, 2 grams, net fats, 9 grams. Protein, 2 grams. Conclusion. Indulging in a keto-friendly diet doesn't mean you have to give up on your favorite treats. These Keto Snickerdoodle cookies are a testament to how you can enjoy classic flavors while sticking to your dietary goals. Perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings, these cookies are sure to become a staple in your keto baking repertoire. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious, keto-friendly recipes and tips to keep you inspired on your health journey. Whether you're a seasoned keto enthusiast or just starting out, we've got something for everyone. Let's embark on this flavorful journey together, one amazing recipe at a time.